In life-threatening emergencies, every second counts. But in many cities, ambulances face serious delays due to traffic congestion, poor infrastructure planning, and lack of visibility. These delays aren't just inconvenient, they can be the difference between life and death. But what if we could see those delays before they happen and plan better? That's where Geographic Information Systems, or GIS, comes in. With the help of powerful platforms like MAPOG, city planners, health officials, and even community organizations can now map ambulance accessibility and response times without writing a single line of code. Let's take a look at how you can build an ambulance response map using MAPOG. First, log into story.mapog.com and create a new map. Give it a title like Ambulance Response Time Analysis and a short description. Then, go and add a layer of selected area, then add hospital data by selecting the hospital layer for your region from the GIS data section. These serve as your emergency response hubs. You can also select the icon according to your data by going into Style Editor now. To calculate how far an ambulance can reach within a given time, use the isochrones tool. Choose the hospital layer, set the mode to driving, and input time intervals say 15, 20, and 25 minutes. MAPOG will generate clear travel zones around each hospital. You can style them using green, yellow, and red to highlight fast versus delayed coverage. Next, use the buffer tool to create static 3 km coverage zones, and then use clip to trim those zones to your city's boundary. This helps you clearly see which areas are within emergency reach and which are not. To dive deeper, add a population layer and add points manually by add story and mark zones that fall outside the coverage range. These areas can be tagged as uncovered residential zones or outside emergency range. Finally, identify the most underserved areas and drop new markers recommending future ambulance station locations. The result? A fully interactive, data-driven emergency response map that reveals accessibility gaps and helps inform smarter urban planning. And the best part? MAPOG is designed for everyone, no coding required. It comes with built-in tools like isochrones, buffer, and clip, allows full visual styling, supports data uploads, and lets you export reports or share your map with teams in just a click. Whether you're working in public health, emergency services, or urban development, this tool puts critical spatial analysis at your fingertips. In cities where time is the most valuable resource, GIS-powered mapping can literally save lives. So if you are ready to build smarter, faster, and more equitable ambulance systems, start today at story.mapog.com. And if you have any questions, reach out anytime at support@mapog.com. MAPOG, powerful GIS for everyone.